Struggling with a Honda CRV AC that's not blowing cold air? Let's fix that AC clutch today. So, your Honda CRV's air conditioner clutch is on the fritz. What now? First, let's pop the hood and locate the AC compressor. It's usually on the passenger side. Next, check the clutch for any visible damage or wear. If it's not engaging, it's time for a deeper dive. Grab a multimeter and test the clutch coil resistance. If the reading is off, you might need a new clutch coil. But wait, sometimes it's just a blown fuse or a bad relay. Check your fuses and relays first. Replacing the clutch? It's a bit tricky but doable. Make sure you get the right part. Disconnect the battery, remove the serpentine belt, and carefully swap out the clutch. Reassemble everything, reconnect the battery, and fire up the engine. Is the clutch engaging now? Congrats, you just saved yourself a costly repair bill. And remember, if things get too technical, don't hesitate to call a pro. Stay cool and happy driving.